Dear student, today we are going to discuss from the beginning that partnership fundamental and some important concept on which that question may arise in exam. So all the theoretical concept you must know from the partnership fundamental. Some questions may arise. Suppose in which year partnership act enacted? Partnership Act enacted in the year 1932. Okay, Companies Act enacted in the previous Companies Act was 1956 and present Companies Act 2013. So this type of that year based questions, the related act enacted in which year, this type of questions may be there. Maximum and minimum partners. Minimum partners. Maximum is 50 and minimum is 2. Minimum partner to form a partnership from 2 and maximum 50. This 50 not mentioned in the partnership act. This 50 will get from Companies Act. Companies Act. Okay. So Companies Act mentioned that maximum number of partners will be in partnership from 50. So these are information you must know. Then the agreement. Agreement may be written or oral. Written or oral. But written agreement is preferable. Registration is optional. Registration of partnership form optional. That means not compulsory. If you want, you can register. If you do not want, no need to get the registration. So these all that concept you have to study. Now, D, the agreement among the partners. Agreement among the partners. This partnership D. Partnership D. If there is the partnership deed, then how that accounting adjustment will be there. If there is no partnership deed, then how you have to adjust necessary accounting treatment. So these all you have to study. Suppose no partnership deed, no partnership. Then partners will not get salary. Partners will not get salary. So these all information you will get from the book. I am giving you short so that which way you have to take the preparation, which all concept you have to study so that you can understand. Partners will not get salary. Partners will not get interest on capital. Partners will not get interest on capital. Interest on capitals. Interest on drawings also will not be charged. Interest on drawings also will not be charged. Profit will be shared equally. They will share the profits or losses, whatever may be equally. So if there is no partnership deed, then this thing you have to taken into consideration for the accounting adjustment. Now, interest on capital. Interest on capital will be calculated on opening balance. Opening balance of capital. Opening balance of capital. Interest on capital always will be calculated on opening balance of capital. Suppose opening balance 50,000 and further investment capital investment, further investment say 10,000 and 10,000 after 6 months. After 6 months, then interest on capital will be on 50,000, say 10% for full year 1 year, and on 10,000 for 6 months. Okay, this way you have to calculate the interest on capital. So on opening balance full year 1 year, and on further investment after how many months, so that you have to subtract from 12 months, and on that month you have to calculate the interest. Another way you can find that 50,000 on 50,000 for first 6 months, 6 by 12, and 50,000 plus 10, 60,000 on 60,000 into 10% into 6 by 12, because up to 6 months there was 50,000 capital, and after 6 months there is 60,000 capital. So this way, either this one or this one, if any calculation given, suppose they have given the calculation like this, but this is the correct calculation, so you have to know what are the ways to calculate the interest on capital based on the given information. So not only the one calculation procedure, all the calculation procedure, and that time factor you have to consider. Suppose rate of interest 10% per annum, at the rate of 10% per annum. So if per annum is mentioned, then you have to calculate for 6 months, 2 months, 3 months, whatever may be. Time you have to take into consideration. Suppose interest at the rate of only 10%. Then total capital, capital into 10%. Suppose 50,000 into 10%. And another further investment, suppose 10,000 into 10%. Not for any month factor you will not consider. Why? Because their per annum it is not mentioned, only rate at the rate of 10%. How much amount you will invest, on that 10% you have to apply, and you will get the answer. So these all information you must know. Now sometimes that opening capital will be given. Opening capital, if opening capital given directly, you can calculate the interest. If opening capital not given, suppose closing capital. Closing capital 50,000. Drawings, say 5,000. Share of profit, say 6,000. Then how much will be the opening capital? Opening capital from closing capital, if you want to calculate the opening capital, closing capital plus drawings will be added, and share of profit will be subtracted. If there is share or loss, then it will be added. Drawings will be added, share of profit will be subtracted, and share of loss will be added. Now 55 minus is 49,000. 49,000 will be the opening balance of capital, and on this amount you have to calculate the interest on capital. So this way you have to calculate the opening balance of capital from the closing balance of capital. And if opening balance of capital given, how you will find the closing balance of capital? Suppose opening capital 50,000. Drawings 10,000. Share of profit 5,000. Then closing capital will be opening capital plus share of profit minus drawing. Then you will get closing balance of capital 45,000. So this is the formula to calculate opening capital, and previous one was the formula to calculate opening capital. And what are the charge against profit? What are the appropriation of profit? Rent payable to partner, interest on loan. These are all charge against profit. and these all will be shown in the profit and loss account. Okay, and appropriation of profit will be shown in the profit and loss appropriation account. So what are the charge against profit, and what will be the accounting treatment for charge against profit, and what are the appropriation of profit, and what will be the accounting treatment for appropriation of profit, example of charge against profit, example of appropriation of profit. These all you have to study very carefully so that you can give the answers. So today discussion up to this, next day that some calculation type questions will be discussed. So thank you all the students.